A factory chimney has the shape of a corn frustum and 10-meter height. The bases of the corn frustum have external lengths of 3.14 meter and 1.57 meter, and the wall is 18 centimeter thick. Calculate the volume of the chimney. Here you can see the height of the chimney, which is OO dash as well as AA dash, is equal to 10 meter. The bases of the corn frustum have external lengths of 3.14 meter and 1.57 meter. We can find the radius of the large outer circumference length, which is 3.14 meter. 3.14 meter is equal to 2 pi capital R. Capital R is equal to 3.14 over 2 pi. Capital R is equal to 0.5 meters. Next, we can find the radius of the small outer circumference length, which is 1.57 meters. 1.57 meter is equal to 2 pi times simple r. Simple r is equal to 1.57 over 2 pi. Simple r is 0.25 meters. Here, we can write A dash B as the difference of the lengths O dash B and OA. So, A dash B is equal to O dash B minus OA. Since O dash B is capital R and OA is simple r, A dash B is equal to capital R minus simple r. A dash B equal 0.5 meter minus 0.25 meters. Therefore, A dash B is equal to 0.25 meter. We can find AB by considering the right angle triangle, which is AA dash B, and we will apply the Pythagoras theorem. AA dash square plus A dash B square is equal to AB square. AB is equal to square root of 100.0625. So, AB is equal to 10.0031 meters. By considering the same right angle triangle, which is AA dash B, we can find A dash M. We will consider an angle theta, which is point A. By considering right angle triangles, which are AA dash B and AA dash M, we can write sin theta in two ways. A dash M is 0.25 meters. Now we can find BC, which is equal to PA. For that, we can consider the right angle triangles A dash BM and BCN. Like previous, we can consider sin theta and find BC. BC is equal to 0.18 meters. Since PA and BC is equal, PA is also equal to 0.18 meters. Now, we will draw the complete cones like this. The volume of a cone, which has three-dimensional geometric shape, gives by 1 over 3 pi r square h. Capital H is the height of the biggest complete cone, and the height of the cone inside is simple h. By considering the cones with heights of capital H minus 10 and simple h minus 10, we can find the volume of the purple colored part. It is given by 1 over 3 pi simple r square times capital H minus 10 minus 1 over 3 pi simple r dash square times simple h minus 10. By considering the cones with heights of capital H and simple h, we can find the volume of the whole colored part. It is given by 1 over 3 pi capital R square times capital H minus 1 over 3 pi capital R dash square times simple h. The volume of the chimney is given by subtracting 2 from 1. 1 over 3 pi capital R square times capital H minus 1 over 3 pi capital R dash square times simple h minus 1 over 3 pi simple R square times capital H minus 10 plus 1 over 3 pi simple R dash square times simple h minus 10. To find capital H, we consider two right-angle triangles which are TO'B and TOA. Capital H minus 10 over 0.25 equal to capital H over 0.5. Then 0.5h equal 0.25h plus 5. Therefore, capital H is 20 meters. Likewise, to find simple h, we consider another two right-angle triangles which are T'O'(C) and T'O'(B). Here, O'(C) is equal to O'(B) minus BC. It is 0.5 meters minus 0.18 meters. O'(C) is equal to 0.32 meters as well as OB is equal to OA minus BA. It is 0.25 minus 0.18. OB is equal to 0.07 meters. As previous, simple h over 0.32 is equal to simple h minus 10 over 0.07. Simple h is equal to 12.8 meters. Finally, we can find the volume of the chimney by substituting all values we found, and we will get the volume of the chimney as 1.03 pi cubic meters. So, the volume of the factory chimney is 1.03 pi cubic meters.